Hindi ako galit, hindi ako disappointed, nothing at all. Kasi pointless naman na mag-harbor ako ng feelings about what happened. Hindi na siya maibabalik. Hindi na mababalik si Pangulong Duterte sa Pilipinas. So what we should do as a country is move on from what happened. No? What will we do as our ways forward as a country and as a people from what happened? Magalit man tayo, walang papupuntahan yung galit natin. Dahil hindi naman yan sila papanagutin ng pamahalaan eh.
Bagamat walang nakikitang pagsisikap mula sa pamahalaan para maiuwi si dating Pangulong Duterte, sinabi ni VP Sara na patuloy silang maghahanap ng paraan upang maibalik ang dating Pangulo sa bansa.
I think it is best if you ask them. I do not want to suggest to them kung ano yung dapat gawin. Dapat siguro i-demand natin sa kanila na mag-isip sila. But clearly from the answers of Secretary of the Department of Justice kanina, I don't think they will make moves in taking back or bringing the former president home. So, hanapan na lang namin ng ibang paraan kung paano maiuwi ang ating dating Pangulo. And he expressed that already as well. Kasi sinabi niya na magme-mayor pa siya, magiging mayor pa siya. And he needs to go back home because he needs to serve the people of Davao City.
Samantala,